Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you the difference between var, let and const in JavaScript using simple HTML and JavaScript file inside VS Code. First, let's create an HTML file. I will name it index.html. Now here you need to press two keys simultaneously, shift plus exclamatory mark and then enter. This is the boilerplate code for index.html. This file simply connects to an external JavaScript file called script.js. Now let's create a new file named script.js. Enter. Inside this file, I am going to write the code for explaining the difference between var, let and const. Now let's begin. I am going to write the code for var. If condition is true, then block scope will get executed. Here I am writing var a equal to 10. Now I want to print the value of a on console. So I am writing here console.log. I am printing here one message var a colon comma a. Here a is accessible outside the block. Var has function scope and it can leak outside the blocks. Var is the old way of declaring variables in JavaScript. It has function scope, which means it is accessible inside the function where it is defined, but it does not have block scope. So even if you declare it inside an if block, it can still be accessed outside that block. This is about var. Now I'm going to write the code for let. If the condition is true, then block will get executed. If block get will executed. Let b equal to 20. Console.log. Here I am writing one message. Let b colon comma b. And semicolon. Let has block scope. If I try to write here console, if I try to print the value of let outside the block, then it will give me error. Here it will give me error. So this is error basically. Okay, because let has block scope. Next, I'm going to write the code for const. Here const c equal to 30 console.log const c colon comma c. Here I need to write double quote. So here the value will be printed 30, here the value will be printed 20, here 10. If you observe here, where is having functional scope, so it will be printed outside the block, whereas let and const are having block scope. It means these are only works with the block, means the value will get printed inside the block only, right, not the outside the block. Okay, so only where is having the functional scope. Understood? So if I try to print value here for const console.log, here C, so definitely here it will give me error. Here also error. That we will see practically if when I run this program. So we have to save both the files. Now open this index.html in the browser. You can right click and choose open with live server if you have that extension in VS Code. Now right click, open the console in developer tools, right click, inspect, click on inspect, click on console. So here we are forget to connect our script with HTML file. So for that I need to write here script tag src equal to script.js. So we have connected our script.js with HTML. Now here open. Now you can see where a is 10, let b 20, const c equal to 30. If I remove this comment in script.js, so definitely it will give me error at line number 10 and line number 16. Control save. Now let's check. So can you see here, it is showing me the error at line number 10. Okay, so this is error, right, and this is also error. Okay, suppose if I comment it and save, if I comment it and if I save again, once again it will show me error at the line number 16 as well. Can you see here? Okay, so at line number 10 and line number 16 I am getting the error. Line number 10 and line number 16 I am getting the error. Why? Because only where is having the functional scope, whereas let and const are having block scope. Okay, so we will see the result. Where is accessible outside the block, let works only inside the block. And one more thing important regarding the const, that it cannot be reassigned. Like if I try to reassign the value of c equal to 100, then it won't be possible. Okay, you can see here console, yeah, assignment to constant variable. So at line number 14 it is showing me the error. So these are the some differences among where, let and const. That's it for this video. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more programming tips. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.